for me. Blood in my dog and I can't see. I'm trying to be what I'm destined to be. And niggas trying to take my life away. I put a hole in a nigga for fucking with me.
What's up, guys? I'm about to get started on the EcoTec S14 Villains livery for the season. I'm gonna start it on time lapse. You guys can see, at least watch me struggle through one side for a few hours. We'll see how it goes. Check it out. As you can see from the time lapse, I got the sides pretty well dialed in. And then last night I got the hood graphics on. Pretty much all I have left now is the stars on the roof and all the sponsor logos. So got sponsor logos on the bumpers, the hood, and then on the sides and on the fenders. Maybe I'll get a time lapse putting those on the hood. Well, that actually wasn't too bad. I just pretty much did the chrome on one side and then measured it and kind of laid the chrome on the other side to be the same, and then just threw the logos on top. Yeah, came out pretty nice. I think I'm actually kind of good at this. Now I'm going to do the fender logos and then get the rest of the stars on the sides and then the front and back bumper logos. I'm not going to record that just because it's just random logos here and there. The roof, and that's probably going to take me a while. Not excited about it, but we'll see. I'm going to get all the other stuff done first, so that way I can do the roof last. I'm getting so close. It's kind of hard to get a video doing the roof just because I can't really put my phone up high to time lapse it, and I can't do it myself. Jessica's helping me do it, but almost done. I'll do a good walk around video. It's beautiful outside right now, so let me get the roof stickers on. I got all the logos on, all the stars on. Just got to get the roof done. So close. Got the livery all done, and she's ready for FinalBout in the season. It wasn't super hard. Did obviously take a lot of time, but I was actually surprised with how, if you're patient, how easy the livery is to install, and it helps to have a second person once in a while for the big parts. But yeah, got it all done. I would say total about 8 hours. A couple hours here, a couple hours there, and I'll show it to you. think my favorite part about doing it myself was I got to change a few little tweaks here and there to make it exactly how I wanted it. For example, the logo placement for the sponsors, I wanted them to be all the way down to give it the appearance of the car being as low as possible, so it'll draw your eyes down there. And also the fender logos, I don't know why, but most people put them like 2 inches or 3 inches above the wheel on the arch. Maybe it's just easier because that's a flatter part of the wide body to flex the sticker on. But I went ahead and placed them all the way down. I think it gives it a real cool look, especially from looking at this angle. It's like the sticker's facing up. There she is, all ready to go for the season. Pretty excited about it. Get that damn wheelbarrow out of the shot. Yeah, come find me and Jessica and the team at FinalBout this weekend, and then of course at the Villain Sportsland events the rest of the season. I'll have t-shirts and hoodies available for people to buy, both in the club logo as well as one of the OG Villains logos. So like always guys, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you later.